Did you know that regularly practicing Surya Namaskar enhances your mind, thereby increasing your intuitive abilities, decision-making, leadership skills, and confidence? Yes, you heard that right. Hi guys, so today in Yoga for the Soul, we will be understanding Surya Namaskar and its benefits. The first asana is Pranamasana. Stand straight, broaden your shoulders by placing your hands by your sides and relax. Inhale deeply while lifting both your hands up and exhale when you bring them together in a Namaskar Mudra pose. It is an effortless posture that comes with great health benefits including nervous system strengthening. The next asana is Hasta Uttanasana. Continue the prayer pose from the previous asana and raise your hands up and back. Slowly inhale and bring your biceps close to the ears and it should stretch the whole body. Keep your knees soft as you lengthen and extend the spine. No arching of the back. This pose helps with expanding the chest and rib cage. The third asana in Surya Namaskar is Padahastasana. Exhale and bend forward to touch the floor with your hands while keeping the back erect. Beginners can bend their knees to touch their palms on the floor. This pose helps in massaging the digestive organs. Ashwasanchalanasana is our next asana. Inhale, take the right foot back. Relax the right knee on the mat. Left knee and ankle are in line. Palms are next to your feet. You may come up on your fingertips to lengthen the spine. Look forward as your hips drop down towards the floor. This posture helps you stretch your glute and quadriceps, opening the chest. Next step is Dvipakrasanasana or Palakasana, that is a plank pose. Exhale, take the left foot back to meet the right. Tighten your glutes as you shift your body slightly ahead, maintaining the plank. Next step is Ashtanga Namaskar. Retaining the exhalation, bring your knees down to the floor, push your hips backwards and slide forward, resting your chin and chest on the floor. This pose increases the strength of arms and shoulders, strengthens the biceps and triceps. Moving on to Bhujangasana from here. Inhale, keeping the palms as it is, slide your body forward as you lift your chest and head. Elbows remain bent and close to the body. Keep your neck relaxed as your back arches. Moving on to Parvatasana or Budharasana. Exhale, tuck the toes under, bend the knees and lift your hips back. Push back on your palms as you press into the feet. Spine lengthens, feet are together with abdomen pulled in. Moving on to Ashwasanchalanasana. Inhale, take the right foot forward now as your left knee is on the floor. Palms or fingertips next to your left foot. Coming back to Padahastasana, exhale, bring the left foot forward to meet the right foot as you come into a forward fold. Keep the knees slightly bent if keeping them straight feels too much. Inhale, repeat Hasta Uttanasana and then exhale Pranamasana. So did you start practicing Surya Namaskar yet? Before we sign off, let's take a quick recap of today's video. As I told you before, Surya Namaskar is a good cardio exercise that can help in losing weight. It helps you control your blood sugar level, reduces anxiety, improves digestive health, improves blood circulation for glowing skin, to name a few. Share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.